Hiya, I'm going to show you exactly how to personalize your mass emails using the Mailmeteor dashboard. This is the easiest way to make your emails feel individually written, helping you build one-on-one relationships at scale and get much better engagement rates. Now, to create personalized emails, we use dynamic content called variables or merge tags. Let's see how it works. Step 1 is to open the Mailmeteor dashboard and create a new campaign. Step 2 here is to add your recipients. So click on Select Recipients. You can import your contacts from Google Sheets, a CSV file, or an existing contact list, or just a simple copy and paste option. Just make sure your file has one column for each personalized variable you want to use. Here we're going to select a spreadsheet and then click on Next and save. Step 3, compose your email and insert your variables. Step 3 is compose your email and insert your variables. To add dynamic content, simply click Insert a Variable right here in the editor and select the appropriate field. You can add as many variables as you want to your email body. Step 4, personalize your subject line. This is a great way to boost your open rates. Just type your personalized variables inside double brackets and directly into the subject field. So what if you don't have everyone's first name? Well, you can use a fallback value. Just type your variable, a vertical bar, and your default word. For example, here, let's say that we don't have everyone's name, so what you would be typing is this. Make sure you do this in the subject line as well. And what this means is that when your recipient's first name is known, we will use it, but when it's unknown, we will default to the value there. Step 5, once you're done, always click on Show Preview to check that your variables are pushing the correct data. And as you can tell, we had all the names in our spreadsheet, so we got the name in the subject line and in the message. Then press on Send Test Email, just to check that everything's fine. You can press on Send, or you can even schedule send. And that's it. If you want to read through these steps, check out the full article linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips and happy emailing.